Hi, my name is Stefan and I'm the owner of Driving School Stefan in Bern. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you after you receive your Swiss learner's permit. If you don't have your learner's permit yet, be sure to check out my video on how to get it. Step 1. Complete the Traffic Theory course, VKU. The Traffic Theory course, Verkehrskundeunterricht, VKU, is mandatory and consists of 8 lessons. It teaches you important knowledge about road behavior, hazard recognition, and safe reactions. You must complete the VKU before you can take the practical driving test. I'm offering the course in English. Please check out my website for more information. Step 2. Take driving lessons with a certified instructor. Taking professional driving lessons with a certified driving school is one of the best investments you can make in your driving journey. A qualified instructor will guide you step by step, helping you build strong skills and preparing you thoroughly for the practical driving test. If you live in Bern, I would be happy to be your instructor. Visit my website for more information and to explore the available packages. Step 3. Practice driving with a private accompanying person. In addition to lessons, you can practice privately with an accompanying person. This person must be at least 23 years old, must have held a Category B driver's license for at least 3 years, and must no longer be in the probation period. During practice sessions, a blue L sign must be displayed on the car. Important, the car needs a manual handbrake that is reachable from the passenger seat. Step 4. Take the practical driving test. Once you feel confident and meet all the requirements, you can register for the practical driving test. The test takes about 60 minutes and covers a variety of real-world driving situations, including city driving, motorway driving, various maneuvers such as parking, and an emergency stop from a speed of 50. If you pass, you'll receive a probationary driver's license, valid for 3 years. Please note that there is a strict ban on drinking alcohol while driving during this time. Step 5. Complete the post-license training, WAB course. Within the first year after passing the practical test, you must attend a post-license training course, WAB course. This course helps to further develop your driving skills and promotes safe driving habits. Step 6. Receive the full driver's license. After successfully completing the 3-year probation period, and provided you have committed no major traffic offenses, your probationary driver's license will automatically be converted into a full unlimited driver's license. In some cantons, you may receive a notification. In others, the full license is sent automatically. Need help? If you have any questions about the process or need support, feel free to contact me. With 20 years of experience as a driving instructor, I specialize in helping people with driving anxiety, fear of driving, autism and ADHD. I'm happy to support you wherever I can. If you'd like to get a better idea of how I teach, feel free to read the reviews on my Google page. I hope to see you soon and have a great day.